how to make delicious bacon roses. Hi guys, I'm Kristen and welcome to Studio Knit. For a fun little bonus video, I thought I would show you how I perfected the really clever bacon roses seen on Pinterest with a couple extra special touches I devised. With Father's Day upon us, I guarantee this is a surefire hit with all the men in your life. The ingredients are bacon and brown sugar. I'm using 40% less fat bacon. I wanted to make sure the bacon was fatty enough for the swirl of color, but keep it as healthy as possible. So then we use wood skewers and toothpicks. Set your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Begin by threading your bacon through your skewer on one end, then roll up tightly about 1/3 of the way of your bacon strip. Now, here's my special twist to really help our bacon roses look like roses. We simply twist our bacon strip counterclockwise. You'll see that by twisting our bacon, the rose petals are formed, creating little points. Then secure with a toothpick on the bottom of your rose. Continue rolling the rest of your bacon roses and then place them in a muffin tin. This is my favorite way to bake them. Your rose buds remain standing upward and they enjoy baking in their own yummy juices. Oh, one more special ingredient is to sprinkle them with a pinch of brown sugar. The sugar crystallizes and melts into your bacon. This makes them extra delicious and sweet, just like a rose. Then bake for 20 minutes. Oh, I made bacon roses this past Valentine's Day for my boyfriend. And look, now we are engaged. I'm telling you, bacon roses are magical. So once they've cooled, place them on your skewers and create your bouquet. I like using mason and milk jars as my vases. I hope you enjoyed my first little cooking video and are inspired to whip up some bacon roses yourself. Thank you so much for watching Studio Knit. Please subscribe and check out my complete Father's Day DIY gift idea playlist. Here are 2 necktie ideas: how to knit a necktie and how to make a decorative rose from a necktie. Bye!